Goldphyre Resources is an exploration development company based in Western Australia, and we are looking to develop the Lake Wells Potash Project, located approximately 500 kilometres northeast of Kalgoorlie. Well, what we've got at Lake Wells is a brine-hosted sulphate of potash project, and sulphate of potash is the premium form of potash. Most viewers probably won't know that 100% of Australia's potash is imported into Australia. It's imported into Australia in two forms, as muriate of potash and a sulphate of potash. What Goldphyre is looking to do with its Lake Wells Potash Project is replace part of that imported potash with an own locally grown source of the premium priced sulphate of potash. Ultimately, of course, we'd like to be able to supply Australian farmers with Australian potash, and thereby relieving them of some of the supply risk associated with potash, and also removing from them completely the exchange rate risk that they run when they purchase potash from overseas. Key targets for 2016, we will have a maiden JORC resource in June. We will install test production bores in the September quarter. We will test pump those production bores in the September and or the December quarter, and we will upgrade our resource estimate to an indicated/measured resource, we hope, by the December quarter of this year. Yeah, well, look, we've recently completed our resource drill out campaign out at Lake Wells. The purpose of that campaign was twofold. Initially, we went out there in February to investigate the presence of and the width of the basal sand layers, or base sand layer, sitting in the paleo channel. And we were successful in finding that sand layer. And in fact, we were also quite surprised to find that we had an additional layer of sand further up the lithology in the sediments. Sand is very important for paleo channels because it's from the sand that the highest permeabilities are recorded. You can abstract more brine from sands than you can from clays. So we were very pleased to find that we had two layers of sand of quite substantial widths. The second reason for that drill program, which we've just completed in May, was to understand the brine chemistry from the very top of the sediments all the way down to the bottom of the sediments into the basal sands. What we were hoping was that the basal sand intersections returned potassium concentrations similar to